Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 1099-C, which is also known as the Cancellation of Debt form. So this form is used when a lender cancels or forgives a debt that you owe. The reason this matters is because the canceled amount may be treated as income. So it's important to understand what's being reported on this form. Okay, let's go step by step. At the top of the section, you'll see the creditor's information. So this includes their name, address, and phone number. And right next to it, you find boxes for the date of the identifiable event and amount of debt discharged. So the amount shown here is the total debt that was canceled. And below that, you'll see the creditor's information. So this includes their name, address, and phone number. Right next to it is you'll find boxes for the date, and below that you'll see the creditor's TIN and the debtor's TIN. So these are the tax identification numbers for both parties, so just make sure that they are all correct. Next, you'll move to the debtor's information. So this includes the name, street, address, city, state, and zip code. Make sure everything matches official records to avoid any issues. Then you'll see a section for the account number. So this helps identify which account the canceled debt is tied to. And on the right side, there's a checkbox that indicates if the debtor was personally responsible for paying the debt. So this is very important as well because it affects how the cancellation is treated. And under that, you'll find the identifiable event code. So this tells the reason why the debt was canceled, like a settlement or expiration. And lastly, there's a box for the fair market value of property if any property was involved in the cancellation. And that is it. The key here is to review all the details carefully before using this form for your records or tax filing. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.